Hello good people, today for unboxing and review this very interesting Wera ratchet screwdriver. Here we can see the functions and show labeled with this picture, as well the model of it. I have bought it from Amazon Germany, paid about 16 euros. This type of ratcheting screwdriver handle has two types. This a simple one with smaller hand with magnet, and the second one with the rapid adapter which has Wera. Here we can see that the ratcheting mechanism 10 degrees. It's not so precise, but not so like a bulky one when you need a turn back. And I have this Linux one. The quality of it's not high. I cannot compare the quality with Wera one, but it's nice to have. It simple works like this. It comes with this type of bits. It's not regular, a quarter of inch head. Just to compare size, this is VH Stubby with 6 bits model. I will just take one of the bits. Size. With ruler, you can look for the size, just for reference. In the hand, it's not so comfortable if you want to transfer high torque. It's quite a small handle. Just compare with Drive 2 of Wera. You can see the difference. This handle for my hand is quite convenient. This is small one. But with this one, it's not the purpose to transfer high torque and tighten in high torque screws. It's for small works or some tight places. But what is interesting feature of this ratcheting handle for which I bought it? It has two interesting features. One of these, in general, nearly in all ratcheting screwdriver, if you turn, for example, to the right, this mechanism, you can unscrew. So you will turn the screwdriver to the left. Turn left, you will screw to the right. Why historically they made in this way? I think because of when you keep this part and want to unscrew, yeah, you can do it. Take this part, want to screw, again, it will change the direction and you can do it. But for me, it's much more intuitive, this type of handle. For what? If I want to turn my screwdriver to right, I just click it to the right. So I will tighten the screw. What to untighten? I will turn the screwdriver to the left. Just to the left, untighten. And of course, in the middle, you can put, just a moment, it will lock the screwdriver. This is first differ function from other ratcheting screwdriver. It's comfortable for me. And the second one, when you are going to tight place and want to screw something, it's not enough torque to unscrew or screw it, and the ratcheting mechanism is not still working because the screw is too loose. With this switcher, you can turn it like this. No other ratcheting screwdriver has such option, in my experience. If there are others, please tell me about it in the comment. Want to tighten, again, just couple of turns, then the ratcheting mechanism works in the same direction. It's quite convenient compared with these regular ones. You need two hands to switch, to change the direction of the ratcheting mechanism. With this one, just one hand. In one hand, just couple of turns to tighten screws, when ratcheting mechanism will start work. So I recommend it. If you need bigger one, you can look to other model. I will put the link for both models. With rapid adapter one, it is bigger handle, and this one in the description. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.